got all the surface areas done, but now we have to get into a little deeper. So on this particular boat, I'm gonna pick up my cushion, make sure I'm clean. I'm just using a wet chamois and just wiping out underneath that seat. One of the big spots, I want to pick up my seats, and you see these little lips? They're all designed to catch the water, but they also catch all the dirt and such that I rinse off the main deck. So I want to get in here and just wipe these off. I may also come through and just give a quick wipe down on my inside my seats or inside my compartments. After you wipe them down a little bit, now just take the chamois, shake it overboard, and go back to work. And I do want to make sure I hit all my compartments because this is where the details really matter. So I'm popping off this because once again, this has a lip where all the dirt and any extra water that I rinsed off the deck all collects. The nice thing with these chamois is I can pick up that extra water, all that extra dirt, and really start to make this boat look great with just a few minutes. Dry that thing out. And I want to do this through every compartment. And if I do this on a regular basis, that is every time that I clean the boat, just give it a quick wipe down in all these kind of small but critical areas, the boat will stay extremely clean all season without a lot of extra effort. These little details I count.